showers along the mountains in the afternoon. Highs in the 60s. Light winds. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Isolated showers along the mountains in the evening. Lows in the lower to mid-50s. Variable wind to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, rain likely. Highs in the lower to mid-60s. Variable wind to 10 miles an hour. Along Turnagain-Armen higher elevations. Southeast wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Saturday night, scattered showers in the evening, then rain likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s to mid-50s. Variable wind 10 miles an hour. Sunday, partly sunny with scattered showers. Highs in the upper 50s to mid-60s. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows 45 to 55. Synopsis. Weak high pressure will remain over the northern Gulf through Friday afternoon. A 1,004 millibar slow 213 nautical miles southeast of Sitkanak will move ashore near Ketchikan Saturday morning. A 1,004 millibar slow will develop near Seward Saturday night. Coastal forecast for Zone 140. Cook Inlet north of Calgan Island. Small craft advisory tonight. Today, southwest wind 20 knots. Seas 5 feet. Tonight, southwest wind 25 knots. Seas 5 feet. Saturday, south wind 15 knots. Seas 3 feet. Saturday night, southwest wind 15 knots. Seas 4 feet. Sunday, northwest wind 15 knots. Seas 3 feet. Monday through Tuesday, southwest wind 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Coastal forecast for Zone 141. Ketchikan Bay. Today, south wind 10 knots becoming southwest 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 4 feet. Tonight, southwest wind 15 knots. Seas 4 feet. Saturday, southwest wind 20 knots. Seas 6 feet. Saturday night, west wind 25 knots. Seas 8 feet. Sunday, northwest wind 15 knots. Seas 4 feet. Monday through Tuesday, southwest wind 10 knots. Seas 3 feet. Coastal forecast for Zone 121. Resurrection Bay. Today, variable wind 10 knots becoming south 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 4 feet. Tonight, south wind 20 knots becoming north 10 knots after midnight. Seas 4 feet. Higher seas south of Cade's Head. Saturday, variable wind 10 knots becoming south 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 feet building to 5 feet in the afternoon. Saturday night, north wind 20 knots. Seas 4 feet. Sunday, north wind 20 knots. Seas 4 feet. Monday through Tuesday, variable wind 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Coastal forecast for Zone 129. Passage Canal. Today, variable wind less than 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Patchy fog. Tonight, variable wind less than 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Patchy fog. Saturday, variable wind less than 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Patchy fog. Rain showers. Saturday night, west wind 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Sunday, west wind 20 knots. Seas 3 feet. Monday, west wind 15 knots. Seas 2 feet. Tuesday, variable wind less than 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Coastal forecast for Zone 125. Prince William Sound. Today, variable wind less than 10 knots becoming south 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 feet. Patchy fog. Tonight, southwest wind 15 knots becoming south 10 knots after midnight. Seas 3 feet. Patchy fog. Saturday, east wind 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Patchy fog. Saturday night, east wind 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Sunday, northwest wind 15 knots. Seas 2 feet. Monday, northwest wind 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Tuesday, variable wind less than 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Coastal forecast for Zone 139. Cook Inlet, Calgan Island to Point Beach Spa craft advisory tonight and Saturday. Today, south wind 20 knots. Seas 5 feet. Patchy fog. Tonight and Saturday, southwest wind 25 knots. Seas 6 feet. Saturday night, west wind 25 knots. Seas 6 feet. Sunday, northwest wind 20 knots. Seas 4 feet. Monday through Tuesday, southwest wind 10 knots. Seas 3 feet.
At 4 a.m. Friday, the Whittier to Anchorage pressure difference is minus 0.1 millibars.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 43 in Anchorage. Information on this broadcast may also be accessed on the internet at www.weather.gov.
Here is the forecast.